What if K-pop company doesn't pay for your flight and trainee contract reality? It's not like you expect. Reality is different. Most people think that once they pass a K-pop audition their life will suddenly become easy and everything will be taken care of, but the truth is very different because at the beginning you are not yet important for the company and you are still being tested. You are just one of many applicants and the company is careful about where they invest their time and money. Many people feel excited after passing but quickly realize that nothing is guaranteed and everything depends on your next steps. This journey is not comfortable and it requires sacrifice, patience and understanding. If you don't prepare yourself mentally, you may feel disappointed very quickly. The reality is not about instant success but about long struggle and constant effort. What happens after you pass online audition? After you pass the online audition, the company may contact you for the next round, which can be offline or even in another country. At this stage you are still not selected as a trainee and you are still being evaluated. Many people think this means the company will now support them fully, but that is not true. This stage is still a test of your seriousness and your ability to move forward. You may need to prepare documents, plan your travel and organize everything yourself. This is where many people start understanding that the process is not as simple as they imagined. Who pays for everything? In most cases you may have to pay for your own flight ticket, visa, accommodation and food, especially if you are traveling internationally. This can be a big financial burden and many people are not ready for it. The company usually does not cover these costs because you are not officially selected yet. This is one of the biggest reasons why many talented people cannot continue their journey. It shows that this dream is not only about talent but also about planning and resources. Why companies don't pay for every applicant? Companies receive thousands of applications and it is not possible for them to invest in every person. They need to select only a few people and focus their resources on them. This is why they do not pay for everyone at early stages. They want to see who is serious and willing to take the next step. This system helps them filter candidates and find the most dedicated ones. Understanding this helps you accept the reality and prepare accordingly. What should you do to pay for your flight? If you are serious about becoming a K-pop idol, then you need to think about how to support yourself financially. You can start earning money through social media by posting dance covers, singing videos or training content on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. You can also do small jobs, freelancing or save money slowly. This journey requires planning and patience and you need to build your own support system. Depending only on the company is not enough. Be aware of scams. There are many fake agencies that try to take advantage of people's dreams by asking for money and making false promises. If any company asks for money to guarantee your selection or debut, then it is a big warning sign. Real companies do not sell auditions or guarantee success. Always check official websites and verify information before trusting anyone. Being careful can save you from serious problems. The trainee contract. The trainee contract is a serious agreement between you and the company that controls your training, your behavior and your responsibilities. Once you sign it, you are expected to follow all rules strictly. This contract is not just a simple paper, it decides how your life will be during training. Many people sign it without fully understanding, which can create problems later. This is why you must read everything carefully. Training cost and debt system. The company invests money in your training, including classes, housing and sometimes food, but in many cases this cost is recorded and can become something you need to repay later. This is known as training debt, which means after debut part of your earnings may go towards covering these costs. Many people do not know this before entering the system and feel surprised later. Understanding this helps you make better decisions. Dorm realit. Trainees usually live in shared dorms where they have limited privacy and must follow strict rules. You may share rooms with other trainees and live in a very structured environment. This helps you focus on training, but it can also feel stressful, especially if you are not used to it. Adapting to this lifestyle is important. Daily schedule of a trainee. Your daily life as a trainee is very strict and controlled. You will train for many hours every day with very little free time. Your schedule is decided by the company and you are expected to follow it seriously. This level of discipline is necessary, but it can be difficult to manage. Physical exhaustion and body limits. One of the most ignored realities is how physically exhausting trainee life can be, because you will train for many hours every single day and your body will constantly feel tired. You will repeat the same moves again and again until your muscles hurt, and sometimes even when you are injured you may still feel pressure to continue. This is not like normal dance practice, this is intense and continuous. Your stamina, flexibility and strength will be tested every day. Many people think they are ready, but when they actually experience it they realize how difficult it is. Without proper rest and care your body can feel drained and this can affect your performance. Understanding your limits and taking care of your health becomes very important. Diet control and body image pressure. Another reality is strict diet control because companies often expect trainees to maintain a certain body shape and weight. This can create pressure, especially if your natural body type is different. You may have to control what you eat and follow strict routines. Sometimes this can feel stressful and affect your confidence. It is important to stay healthy and not harm your body. Many people struggle with this pressure and it becomes a mental challenge as well, learning to balance health and constant comparison with other trainees. In the trainee system you are always surrounded by other talented people and comparisons happen naturally. You may feel that others are better than you in dance, vocals or visuals and this can create self-doubt. Even trainers may compare trainees to push improvement. This environment can motivate you but it can also make you feel insecure if you are not mentally strong. Learning to focus on your own growth instead of comparing constantly is very important. Criticism and strict feedback. Feedback in this industry is often very direct and sometimes harsh because the goal is fast improvement. You may hear things that hurt your confidence but are meant to help you grow. Not everyone can handle this type of feedback and some people feel discouraged. Understanding that criticism is part of growth helps you accept it better. You need to learn how to take feedback positively and use it to improve. Long waiting period with no result. Another hard truth is that you may train for years without any clear result or confirmation of debut. This waiting period can feel very frustrating because you are working hard but not seeing progress in terms of career. Patience becomes very important because success in this industry takes time and uncertainty is always there. Loss of personal identity. As you train under a company you may slowly start changing your style, behavior and personality to match what the company wants. This can sometimes make you feel like you are losing your original self. Balancing your individuality with company expectations is very important so you don't feel disconnected from who you are. Social media restrictions. Many companies control or limit your use of social media during training because they want to manage your image carefully. You may not be allowed to post freely or share your personal life. This can feel restrictive, especially if you are used to being active online. Understanding these rules is important before entering the system. Homesickness and loneliness. If you move to another country for training you may feel homesick and miss your family and friends. Being away from your comfort zone can feel lonely and emotionally challenging. This is something many trainees experience but do not talk about openly. Building emotional strength and finding support becomes very important. Contract termination and uncertainty. Your contract can end early if the company decides to remove you based on performance or other reasons. This creates uncertainty because nothing is fully secure. Even if you are working hard, there is always a possibility of sudden change. This is why having a backup plan and being mentally prepared is very important. Evaluations. Trainees are evaluated regularly and these evaluations decide their progress and future. If your performance is not good enough you can be removed from the program. This creates constant pressure and competition. Risk of not debuting. Even after years of training there is no guarantee that you will debut. Many trainees work hard but never get the chance. This is one of the biggest risks in this journey and something you must accept before entering. Mental pressure. Training is not just physically hard but also mentally challenging. You may feel stress, pressure and self-doubt. Staying mentally strong is very important to survive this journey. Strict rules of companies. Companies have strict rules about behavior, discipline and lifestyle, and breaking these rules can lead to serious consequences including removal. Limited freedom. As a trainee your personal freedom becomes limited because your life is controlled by the company and focused on training. Contract duration. Contracts can last for many years and during this time you are bound to the company, which is why understanding the duration is very important. Risk of becoming an idol. There is always risk because success is not guaranteed and you are investing time, effort and sometimes money into this journey. What should you do if you don't debut? If you do not debut you can still use your skills in other ways like teaching, dancing, creating content or performing independently. Your effort is not wasted. Risk of plastic surgery. In some cases there may be pressure to meet visual standards, which can include suggestions for changing appearance. This is something you should think about.